This video shows how to use Audio-Technica's Wireless Manager to quickly configure networked Audio-Technica wireless systems. Download Wireless Manager from the Audio-Technica website and install it on your computer. Installers are available for Windows 32 and 64-bit and Mac OS X. Connect each Audio-Technica network receiver to a port on a network switch or facility network. For this scenario, a standalone network will be created using a network switch. Connect the computer running Wireless Manager to the network. Turn on all connected receivers and open Wireless Manager. The Unsynced Devices window opens, showing each of the connected receivers. Clicking a receiver's Identify button flashes its display. Drag each receiver to the device list. Naming receivers makes it easier to identify them. Click in the area next to the receiver number, type the desired name, and hit Enter. Click OK in the Alert window to update the receiver. In a multi-channel wireless installation, proper frequency coordination is essential to avoid interference and dropouts. Click the Frequency Coordination tab. A blank coordination screen opens. Click on the Import symbol. Select and add the desired receivers. The receivers and their frequency ranges appear in the coordination screen. Close the import window. If you know of other frequencies or frequency ranges that should be avoided, click the Exclusions button and add them. Click Apply and they will appear as red bars on the coordination screen. After applying them, click Close. Click RF Scan to open the scan window. Click Select RX. In the Select RX window, choose a receiver to be used as the source for the scan and click Select. Choosing multiple receivers speeds up the scan time. Clicking Start begins the scan. Note that the receivers being used for the scan are offline and the audio output is muted. When the Scan Complete window opens, click OK. Click Apply to add the scan data to the coordination window and Close to exit the RF Scan window. The Frequency Coordination window now shows the receiver frequency ranges, exclusions, and the scan results. Clicking the Freq Plan button opens the Frequency Plan window. Use this window to create and save frequency plans. Click Calculate. Wireless Manager calculates an optimal set of frequencies. Click Apply to overlay them on the Frequency Coordination screen and close the Frequency Plan window. If desired, the frequency plan can be saved to a history file. At this point, you have calculated a working frequency plan based on the current RF environment. Click Deploy to push the frequency settings to the receivers. Next, sync the transmitters to their associated receiver to complete the process. Navigate to the Monitor tab and click Online Devices to see the status of all connected receivers. If desired, custom monitor pages can be created in the User Defined tab. Arrange the receiver display strips by simply dragging them on the screen. To learn more about other Wireless Manager features and functions, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.